Imagine studying in Europe with zero tuition fees, getting a monthly stipend, travel allowances, and even a contribution for settling in. Sound impossible? Well, it's real, and it's called the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship.
That's right. Today, we're going to take you step by step through one of the most prestigious international master's scholarships in the world. We'll start with what you actually get, the benefits, then walk you through eligibility, how to apply, the documents you'll need, and even some insider tips to boost your chances.
Welcome back to the Silvia and Alan Show, where we break down scholarships, study abroad hacks, and everything you need to build an international career. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive. So, Alan, before we get into the application step, let's talk about what people really want to know first. What do I actually get if I win an Erasmus Mundus Scholarship?
Good starting point. The Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degree Scholarship is essentially a fully funded package for selected students. Here's the breakdown, and we're talking real numbers and practical benefits.
First off, tuition fees. If you're selected for the scholarship, the tuition for the entire master's program, usually 2 years, is completely covered. You pay nothing. This can be anywhere from 8,000 to 18,000 euros a year, depending on the program, if you were self-funded.
Second, you get a monthly living allowance. Most programs offer around 1,000 to 1,400 euros per month, paid for the full duration of the study period. That money is for rent, food, transportation, and daily expenses while you're living in Europe.
Third, there's a travel allowance. Depending on where you're from, you might receive a lump sum to cover flights and visa costs at the start of each academic year. Many programs also include a one-time installation cost contribution, usually 1,000 to 3,000 euros.
Fourth, you have insurance. Most Erasmus Mundus consortia provide comprehensive health and accident insurance that covers you across all the countries where you'll be studying. This saves you the hassle of buying private coverage and meets visa requirements.
And finally, mobility itself. You're guaranteed to study in at least 2 different European countries, sometimes 3. You'll travel, live, and study in diverse settings, which looks amazing on your CV.
Exactly. It's not just a degree, it's a whole life experience. You join an international cohort, attend summer schools, maybe even do internships or research projects across multiple universities. The networking alone is priceless.
So in short, tuition zero, monthly stipend, travel allowance, health insurance, and a guaranteed multi-country experience. That's a pretty incredible deal.
Okay, benefits covered. Now let's talk eligibility. Who can actually apply?
Basically, anyone worldwide who has or will soon have a recognized bachelor's degree can apply. You don't have to be from the EU. In fact, most scholarship winners are from outside Europe.
Programs do have some specific requirements, though. For example, one consortium might want a bachelor in engineering, another in social sciences, another in environmental science. Some accept related fields, others are stricter.
Then there's language requirements. Most programs teach in English, so you'll usually need IELTS or TOEFL or another recognized test at about CEFR, B2 to C1 level. Think IELTS 6.5 to 7.0. Some programs also ask for proof of a second European language if part of the mobility is in a non-English speaking country.
And there's no upper age limit, whether you're 22 or 42. If you meet the academic and language criteria, you can apply. Some programs like to see work experience, but it's not always required.
One more point. You can apply to up to 3 different Erasmus Mundus programs in the same year, so you could hedge your bets by applying to multiple consortia.
Right. Now that you know you're eligible, let's map out the application process step by step.
Step 1, choose your program carefully. Go to the official Erasmus plus EMJD catalog online. Use the filters by its subject area, country, or language. Open each program page and read the eligibility and scholarship details.
Step 2, check the deadlines. Most Erasmus Mundus programs open applications in October and close between December and January for the next academic year. But there are exceptions, so always double check.
Step 3, assemble your documents early. This is where a lot of applicants mess up. You'll need your degree certificate or a letter from your university if you're in the final year, your full transcript, a passport copy, and a CV.
Plus, you'll need a motivation letter. This is a short essay explaining why you're applying to that program, how it fits your career, and what you bring to the cohort. Don't copy and paste between programs, tailor each one.
Then there are recommendation letters, usually 2, sometimes 3. Pick professors or supervisors who know you well and can write specific examples of your skills.
Don't forget language proof. IELTS or TOEFL or a university letter if your previous degree was entirely in English, only if accepted by the program.
Some programs also ask for a research proposal, writing sample, or portfolio if you're in arts or architecture. So always read the small print.
And once you've got your document, you'll apply online through the consortium's portal. Fill in each section carefully, tick the scholarship box, upload files as PDFs with clear names.
After submission, the consortium's selection committee reviews all applications. They rank candidates and award scholarships to the top ones, with the reserve list as backup. Results can take from 6 weeks to several months, depending on the program.
If you're selected, you'll get an official email and a scholarship offer. They'll also send you pre-arrival info on visas, insurance, and housing. Then you prepare for the big move.
So what makes a strong application? We've both read a lot of advice from alumni and program coordinators.
Academic excellence is the first filter, but then they look at how well you fit the program's theme. If the master's is in environmental engineering and your background is physics, you need to show the connection.
The motivation letter is crucial. It's not just, I want to study abroad. It's, I'm passionate about renewable energy. Here's what I've done. Here's how this program's courses in country A and country B align with my career goal.
Show that you understand the mobility path, like first semester in Spain, second in Sweden, thesis in Italy. That proves you've read their website and you're serious.
Also highlight international mindset. Have you worked with diverse teams? Have you done volunteer projects? Anything that shows adaptability helps.
And remember, pick referees who will talk about concrete achievements, your final year project, your analytical skills, your leadership in a student club. Specific beats generic.
Let's talk timing. If applications close in January for a September start, when should people start preparing?
Ideally 6 to 9 months before the deadline. That gives time to book your English test, request transcripts, and coach your referees.
Make a spreadsheet. Write down each program, its deadline, document requirements, and link to the portal. This will save your sanity.
And once you've submitted, watch your email. Sometimes they'll ask for a missing document or additional proof. Respond fast.
Okay, let's go over common mistakes we've seen.
Number 1, generic motivation letters. Committees can spot copy-paste jobs instantly.
Number 2, late submissions. Don't upload your files at 11:55 p.m. on the deadline day. Portals can crash or your internet can fail.
Number 3, ignoring instructions. If they say max 2 pages, don't send 3. If they say 1 PDF per section, don't upload 5 images.
Number 4, weak referees. Ask people who actually know you and can write specifics, not just someone with a big title.
Now, suppose you've got the scholarship. What happens after?
You'll receive a formal offer letter. The consortium will guide you through visa applications. They'll provide the insurance certificate and acceptance documents embassies need.
Budget some cash up front for visa fees, flight tickets, and your first month's rent. Even though you'll get the installation grant, it may arrive after you land.
Get excited! You're about to join a network of students from all over the world, travel between countries, and earn a joint degree that will boost your career prospects.
Many alumni say that friendships and networks are just as valuable as the degree itself. You'll meet potential collaborators, business partners, or future PhD supervisors.
Let's wrap up with a quick summary. Erasmus Mundus scholarships cover tuition, living allowance, travel, and insurance. You study in at least 2 countries. Eligibility is global. Applications open in autumn, deadlines in winter. Prepare documents early, tailor your motivation, and pick good referees.
And you can apply to up to 3 programs per year. Even if you don't get the scholarship, many consortiums will still admit you as a self-funded student.
Check the video description for direct links to the official Erasmus catalog and a free sample motivation letter template. We've also added a printable checklist so you can track your progress.
Subscribe, like, and share this episode with anyone who dreams of studying abroad. We're Silvia and Alan. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next Deep Dive.